And to the pool we go now with the hopes of securing more corporate support for overseas assignments throughout 2026. The Aquatic Sports Association of Jamaica, ACJ, are preparing to host this year's edition of the SplashQuatics International Invitational Meet for the sport of synchronized swimming. Gerard Morris Seeley has that story.
With sights set on qualifying for overseas competition, 57 athletes will show off their artistic swimming styles this weekend at the SplashQuatics International Invitational Meet. Montego Bay, Portland, and Kingston will all be represented for chances to attend meets outside of Jamaica, including the Carifta Games and Pan Aquatics. The event will see competitors as young as 6 years old, and coach of Island Aquatics Robin Ann Chinsang says being one of the guardians of Jamaica's future in synchronized swimming is rewarding given the personal goals of the athletes.
It's a great feeling knowing that they're being guided in the sport at such an early age, and I think that it's a good age to start them. Not saying there's an age limit because you can start at any age, but when they're this young and they see the drive, they see the older girls around them and what they can accomplish, it also motivates them, and as a coach it motivates us to push them to where they want to go. So some of them will even say, "Coach, I want to be like so and so," or "I want to be at the Olympics," even at this tender age.
One such 6-year-old athlete is Kelsey Gibson, who gave a simple reason for choosing taking up synchronized swimming.
Because I was interested and I thought it would be fun.
The 3-day competition will get going on Friday. Gerard Morris Seeley for TVJ Sports.